Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And yes, I am back with another Walmart video for you. When I tell you guys Walmart is on fire, just bring the whole goddamn fire department because it is outrageous. The deals that are at Walmart, if you're not saving right now and getting stuff for your stockpile, you are sleeping on it. And you don't even need a lot of coupons to do these deals. A lot of things are digital, and some things you can print. Guys, you gotta take advantage of these deals. These deals like this are the deals that you want to build your stockpile. Or if you're a reseller, this is a great way to start reselling or continue to resell and make profit. So I'm gonna get off my bandwagon and I'm gonna jump right into these deals so you guys can go ahead and leave the house and head on over to Walmart. So if you have not downloaded Ibotta, I need you to download Ibotta. If you're a first-time user with Ibotta, when you redeem your first rebate, Ibotta is going to give you $10, plus they're going to give you the amount of your rebate. It doesn't matter. The rebate can be 10 cents. You're going to get $10.10 for redeeming that 10-cent rebate. And then when you share your code with your friends and family, the first time they redeem a rebate, they're going to get $10 and you're going to get $10. So guys, that is a great way to start your New Year's off by earning money to spend on couponing and to build your stockpile up by sharing your Ibotta code with your friends and family. Also, download Fetch. I'm going to put both of those links in the description box. And all you have to do is click on the links and go ahead and get started. Now, what I like about Fetch as opposed to with Ibotta, you can only upload your receipt if there are certain rebates on it that's on Ibotta. But on Fetch, you can load any receipt up to Fetch. It can be a receipt for getting gas, getting your nails done, your eyelashes, whatever it is. You will get points for that receipt, and then you use those points to buy gift cards. I use those gift cards for Christmas gifts, for Mother's Day, Father's Day. I use them to coupon. And actually what I'm doing with my gift cards now is I'm saving them for when CVS goes to 90% off their Christmas, and I'm going to use my gift cards to pay for that stuff, and then hold on to that merchandise to make gift baskets and things for next year, for December. And that's what I did last year too, and it worked out really great. So let's go ahead and jump right into our deal. So the first deal that I did was on these Oral-B Glide floss picks. Now, guys, I don't know what's going on with Ibotta with these, but I bought these floss picks. I scanned them in the store. They attached because there was a $2 rebate. When I uploaded my receipt, it attached. But then when I got my money back from Ibotta, it didn't give me the $2 back. So then I scanned the receipt again, and it said no matching item. So I don't know what's going on with that Oral-B Glide floss pick, but guess what? It's going back to the store because it was $6.96. There's no way I'm paying $6.96 for those floss picks. No way, no how. I'm a couponer, and I'm not doing it. So those are going back. So I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if you guys are having problems. I don't know if the $3.96 pack works because my store was sold out of those, so I couldn't scan those. But just to let you know, when I show you my receipt, I'm not going to count those in because they're going back. Now, whenever you go into Walmart, actually, whenever you go into any store, guys, always go to the clearance section. Check your clearance. And for those of you who are new to couponing or don't have a lot of experience with couponing, you can use a coupon on a clearance item at just about any store. So whenever I'm at Walmart especially, I always check the clearance section to see what they have. And especially since Walmart gives overage. Because if you can find an item that is marked down to say $1, but you have a $2 coupon for it, then that's going to give you $1 overage that you can use to pay for something else in your haul. So always, always, always check the clearance section. And guess what? Even if it's something on clearance that I normally wouldn't get, or I don't use, but if it gives me overage, oh, I'm most certainly going to buy it because I'm going to get that overage because that's free money. And then I take that item and I either put it in one of my baskets, my bundles, or I donate it to one of the shelters or organizations or something. So what I did, I found two good things on clearance. The first thing are those, that is Shea Moisture Raw Honey. I'm just going to put it up here so you guys can see it a little better. It's Even and Radiant Raw Honey. And you can see the tag is like all beat up. I don't know what happened with that. But it's regularly $11.97. But it was on clearance for $3. Now, I don't use raw honey. But I know people who do use raw honey. I don't even know what it's used for. But I'm going to get it because it's free, and then I can resell it to the people who use it. Now, I'm going to tell you how I got it free. So I told you they were $3. So I grabbed two of them. And then I used this $6 off coupon that is in your Super Saver that came out on Sunday. And this, you see, it doesn't expire to the 21st. And it says on any two Shea Moisture products. And it says excludes bar soap, lip balm, single-use packets, half-ounce sheet mask, and trial and travel sizes. So that raw honey is not a trial or travel size, and it's not excluded. So this coupon went through absolutely fine. So I got that Shea Moisture for free. So that means when I sell it, I will probably sell it for $5 a can. So that'd be $10. So that'd be $10 that Walmart paid me when I sell that. That's how you make money off of reselling and getting items for free. My next thing that I got was also on clearance, which are these pink or salmon color, I don't know what you call them, the coconut and hibiscus curl hair mask. Now, I didn't find those in the clearance section. I actually found those in the regular hair care section. Walmart has a lot of hair care items that are on clearance or marked down, but they're not in the clearance section. They're in the regular hair care section. So I'm going to go back and really go through that aisle. But I just wanted to grab these because it was only two left. And they were marked down to $2.44. So I grabbed both of them. So then that would be a total of $4.88. And of course, I used my $6 off Shea Moisture coupon because again, they are included. And excuse me, so that gave me overage. So that totaled $4.88. I gave a $6 coupon. So that's actually a $1.12 overage from using that. Now, the Shea Moisture hair mask, I do use those, so I probably won't resell those. But just if you use those, just make sure that you check. And there were some other Shea Moisture hair packets that were on clearance too. They're just, I could see the sign on the shelf, but there just weren't any on the shelf, so I wasn't able to get any of those to show you guys. So then the next thing I grabbed were the Snuggle dryer sheets. And if you're not familiar with this deal, it comes around all the time, like once every 2 months, sometimes sooner than that. But Walmart sells a couple different sizes in the dryer sheets. I think it's like a 40 count, a 60 or 80 count, and they're like a 120 count and up and up and up. But you want to make sure that you grab the 40 count because that's the one that's going to give you the best bang for your buck. So the 40 count are actually $1.97. And you want to look in your 115 save. I think it's 115. 1 second. Your 115 save insert, which is not the 15th yet, but I got my inserts early because I have a coupon fairy. If you want my information for my coupon fairy and you want to get your inserts early like I do, hit me up. Send me an email. nwilkerson114@yahoo.com. Or message me in the comments and I'll give you my fairies information. But if not, if you just want to wait till Sunday, when you get your coupons, head on over and you want to use this coupon right here. It's the $1.50 off any Snuggle product. It says valid on any size, excludes trial or travel. So you'll pay $1.97 at the register. and then you'll give this $1.50 coupon. So that means you'll pay 47 cents for a box of dryer sheets. Who wouldn't do that all day long? So I got 5 boxes. I'm not sure exactly how many I could have gotten in one transaction because Walmart is so funny. Some coupons, they'll take 8 or 9 of them. Some coupons, they only take 4. Some, they only take 1. I don't know, and I haven't figured it out. I haven't studied it. I don't have time for that. I just grabbed me 5. So I got me 5 dryer sheets at 47 cents each. I'm absolutely happy with that. Now, this is the incredible deal. This is the deal that I love. Now, let me share this with you guys. For those of you who have been watching me, you guys know I love laundry detergent, laundry products, anything laundry, dryer sheets, beads, detergent. I love it. And I love the way it smells. I don't know, I might be weird, but that's just how I am. And I like to have tons of it. I don't like to run out. Well, ever since Tide and Gain, basically ever since Procter & Gamble decided to be stingy and not share their coupons with us anymore, my Tide and Gain stockpile has been depleted. So I said I wasn't going to keep on buying that Tide and Gain at regular price or only getting $1 off and things like that, even though I love it. And as I preach to you guys all the time, if you truly want to save and you truly want to get out of debt, you want to build a stockpile, you can't be loyal to a product. So guess what? I'm not loyal to Gain and I'm not loyal to Tide. Forget them. I'll use other kinds. I'll use the kind that are going to give me coupons. And guess what? All's giving me coupons and rebates, and all's giving me just about free detergent. So I'm going with all. I'm team all. Forget Tide, forget Gain. So that's just how I feel about Tide and Gain and Procter & Gamble. But anyway, so these all detergents, and it has to be the blue bottles, the Oxy, okay? Those are $3.74. So you want to use in the same January 15th insert that you got the Snuggle coupon from, the all coupon is there, same page. And that is for $1.50 off any one all product. Now, I only got 4 because that's all my store had. So $1.50 is still good to me when they only cost $3.74. But what makes this deal even better is because Ibotta has a rebate. And on the Ibotta rebate, you can get up to 5. So if my store would have had 5, I would have gotten 5 bottles of all. But they only had 4. So I was stuck with getting 4. But like I said, it's still a good deal because Ibotta has this rebate here that's giving you $2 back for each one. And remember, I said you can get up to 5. So the $2 plus the $1.50 coupon comes up to $3.50. Well, the detergent was only $3.74. So that means that we paid 24 cents for a bottle of detergent. Like, where can you get that at? That is an excellent, excellent deal. So I'm hoping that my store gets some more and that my rebate resets. If it doesn't, I'll just use my mom's Ibotta and get some more. But this is a great way to stock up on both dryer sheets as well as laundry detergent. Now, the last thing that I got, and I forgot to put this in the picture, so I'm going to throw this in here now, are these 2 Mead folders. They are on clearance for $1, and they had this color, they had red, and they had green. And like I said, they're on clearance for $1. So I grabbed 2 of them, so that would be 50 cents. But then Ibotta has a rebate for Mead where you have to buy 2 Mead products and you get $1 back. So basically buying these 2 Mead folders on clearance was a 50-cent moneymaker for me. Now, people might say, well, I'm not buying those. It's not back to school. Buy them and put them up. Remember, I said part of saving is planning. So buy them for the kids and put them up for when it's back to school. Then when it's back to school time comes, you don't have to worry about buying 2 folders. And if the offer resets, go back and get 2 more. And if it resets, get 2 more again. I don't care if you have to get 10 of them, 20 of them. You'll always have folders. And if you know people that have businesses or that are in college, they always need folders. Like me, I'm going to need these folders. Tax time's coming up. I need to separate stuff. So great deal for me. This is everything I got. Let me show you guys my receipt so that you can see how everything went. And remember, I didn't have any problems with any of my coupons. So here you see, there's my paper folders for a quarter. There's my dryer sheet. There's my pink hibiscus mask. And then my $6 coupon came off just fine. Then it says Shea Moisture EX pads. That is the raw honey, excuse me. Those are $3 each. And then the $6 coupon came off fine there. And then there you see all of my oxys. There's 4 of those. The $1.50 coupon came off fine. Then there's those dumb Oral-B things that Fetch didn't give me my money for. So yes, I'm taking those back. And then there's all of my dryer sheets with the coupons coming off of there. Okay. So basically my total was $17.65, but we're going to take off the $6.95. $17.65 minus $6.95 gives us a total of $10.70. But then I got back $9 from Ibotta, which was $1 for the folders and $8 for the all. And then I also submitted my receipt to Fetch. Now let me show you what I got from Fetch. I didn't get a whole lot, but I got points, and all those points add up to you getting a gift card. So here you see I got 108 points from Fetch, which equals out to 10 cents. I'm still happy with that, okay? So again, my bill was $10.70 minus the $9 minus the 10 cents. So I paid $1.60 for all of this. Again, where can you do that at? So head on over to Walmart, take advantage of the deals, come back, let me know what deals you were able to get. Let me know if you found any clearance items and if you had coupons for them. But again, I thank you guys for being so loyal to my channel. I thank you guys for watching. And as always, until the next time, keep on saving.